Hello, good morning. I am in a grove of picual variety here in Cordoba, Spain, and I want to talk to you something about foliar sampling. I have finished my foliar sampling in this grove today, and you must know how the shoot and how the leaves works. Okay, we can see here one shoot with some olives, and in the shoot there are different parts. We have all these that were burned 1 or 2 years before, all these. We can see that the color is dark green, and if you touch the leaves, they are thick. Okay, like carton. Okay, at the end of the shoot, at the apex, there are very young leaves that they are some days old and some days old. Sorry, and the color is pale green, and if you touch the leaves, they are smooth. It's very similar to paper. Okay, so the old leaves accumulate immobile nutrients like calcium, for example, and export mobile nutrients like nitrogen, magnesium, potassium, etc. And the young leaves are very poor in immobile nutrients like calcium because and iron. Can you see the color? Because this soil is a white soil. Clayly white soil with is very low in iron. And can you see the red color or brown color of the trunk? Because some iron salt were sprayed to the trunk to avoid lack of iron in the sap. Okay, you can see the pale green because of a bit of iron lack, and we must take for the foliar sample only teenager leaves, more or less this, because the old leaves works mainly as a source for nutrients for the shoot, for the olives and the young leaves, and the very young leaves work as a sink, taking nutrients both from the sap and from the sap coming from the root and from the sap coming from the other old leaves. So the teenager leaves is the one you have to pick up for the foliar sample. How we know what is the teenager leaves? It's not because some people tell you that you have to count the number of leaves from the end of the shoot. I don't think so. I think the best way is looking for the color. Can you see? The color is not dark green, it's not pale green, and the best way is touching. The old leaves are very thick, like carton. The young leaves are similar to paper for making you a cigar to smoke, and the teenager leaves are similar to a paper of writing. Okay, so you have to walk in the grove, making a round, making a square, and collecting teenager leaves. Can you see? No older, no younger, teenager leaf. And putting in your box. You are working and take another. And if you are walking in the grove, painting a circle or a square, you will take fallen leaves from all the parts of the tree, from the north part of the tree, the south part, etc. Okay, so now in July and August is the date of foliar sampling after pre-hardening. You can see one fruit here, and now the stone, the pit is very hard. I can't broke the pit with my mouth, with my teeth. Okay, it's a bit bitter, a very bit bitter. Okay, I will go in working. Bye bye.